Will TikTok finally be banned from the US? I'm the CyberGuy, and it's no secret that the China-owned company poses a number of privacy risks, and politicians have even introduced bills to try to ban the app entirely. While it hasn't happened yet, many states are starting by banning their own employees from using it. Now, you may not even know you have the TikTok app on your phone. I definitely don't. But at this point, it'll be pretty difficult to tear younger generations away from this popular app until it is outright banned. So what should you do if your child or grandchild is a frequent TikTok user? If they refuse to get rid of the app, encourage them to at least adjust their privacy settings. TikTok knows more about you than you could ever imagine, but you could at least stop others around the world from learning about you. First, you want to make sure your profile is anonymous. Open TikTok, tap your profile on the bottom right, then tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Head to Settings and Privacy, then tap Privacy. Make sure Private Account is toggled on, and also toggle off Activity Status. This is going to stop friends on the app from knowing when exactly you're online. Next, limit how people can find you. You may not even know that your contacts were seeing your videos since you hadn't added them as friends on TikTok. Go to TikTok, tap your profile, the 3 lines, Settings and Privacy, and then tap Privacy. Where it says Suggest your account to others, make sure to toggle off all 4 options. Finally, prevent TikTok from sharing your liked videos with others. Head back to your TikTok Settings and Privacy and tap Privacy, then tap Following List. Make sure you've selected Only Me. That way, the people you follow will all remain private to you and the Chinese government, of course. For more tips about your privacy, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter.